Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can change your region of your Netflix to get access to some other shows as well. But before we start that video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will just dive into our video. So to do so, you will just go to your app store or play store of your mobile phone, go there and search VPN. So there will be plenty of free VPN available, so you will simply install one of those. I'll go with this one. Then you will simply go to your VPN app over there, tap on the accept and continue, and you can see this particular interface will open up. Right, you will simply tap on this connect option. You can simply come over here and change your reason. From here you can simply choose whatever reason you would like to. These are some of the free reasons available. You can go to this special and check these other reasons out as well. So as you can simply change your server from this VPN app given over here, and you will simply be able to change your reason for your Netflix app as well. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till then. I'll see you guys next time.